Today, let's explore one of nature's most powerful yet underrated medicinal herbs, Gotu Kola, also known as Thankuni leaf in South Asia. This tiny green leaf has been used for thousands of years in traditional Ayurvedic and Chinese medicine to heal the body and calm the mind. But modern science is just beginning to uncover how truly powerful this plant really is. In this video, we'll dive deep into the incredible health benefits of Gotu Kola, how to use it safely, and why it deserves a place in your daily wellness routine. Let's start with what Gotu Kola is. It's a small, kidney-shaped leaf that grows in moist, tropical regions. In Ayurveda, it is considered a Medhya Rasayana, a brain-rejuvenating herb. In Chinese medicine, it's called the fountain of life, believed to extend lifespan. It's not just folklore. Gotu Kola has real, proven effects on your brain, skin, gut, liver, and even emotional balance. One of the most exciting benefits of Gotu Kola is its effect on brain health. It enhances memory, supports focus, and protects the brain from age-related decline. Studies have shown that Gotu Kola increases circulation to the brain and stimulates the growth of new nerve connections. People who consume it regularly report clearer thinking, better sleep, and improved mood. It's even being studied for Alzheimer's and cognitive disorders. But Gotu Kola is not just for the brain, it's a powerful anti-anxiety herb. It helps calm the nervous system without causing drowsiness. If you suffer from stress, panic, or anxiety, drinking Gotu Kola tea daily or taking a small dose of its extract can bring balance to your mind. Unlike pharmaceutical drugs, it doesn't make you dependent, and there are minimal side effects when used correctly. Gotu Kola is also a skin healer. It contains compounds like asiaticoside that boost collagen production, making it excellent for anti-aging, wound healing, and even reducing scars or stretch marks. That's why it's a key ingredient in many Ayurvedic and K-beauty skincare products. You can even apply Gotu Kola paste topically for acne, eczema, or inflammation. Let's talk about digestion and liver health. Gotu Kola detoxifies the liver, supports bile flow, and reduces gut inflammation. If you suffer from bloating, gas, ulcers, or slow digestion, consuming Gotu Kola juice or powder with warm water in the morning can bring noticeable relief. It also helps heal the intestinal lining, making it helpful for people with IBS or leaky gut. In terms of immunity and blood purification, Gotu Kola helps remove toxins from the blood and promotes healthy circulation. It has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, making it useful for fighting infections naturally. Traditional healers often recommend it for treating fevers, fatigue, and even urinary tract infections. Gotu Kola is also linked with improved heart health. It strengthens veins and capillaries, making it helpful in managing varicose veins and poor circulation. If you sit or stand for long hours, Gotu Kola may help reduce swelling in the legs and improve overall vascular health. Now, let's look at how to use Gotu Kola. You can consume it as fresh juice, tea, capsules, or powder. For tea, boil 1 teaspoon of dried Gotu Kola leaves in a cup of water for 5 to 10 minutes. Drink this once or twice daily. If you prefer juice, extract a small amount from the fresh leaves and drink on an empty stomach, but always start with small quantities. Overuse may lead to dizziness or headaches in sensitive individuals. Let's also understand who should avoid Gotu Kola. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should consult their doctor before using it. Also, people with liver disease or those taking sedative medications should be cautious. Always introduce new herbs gradually and observe how your body responds. Gotu Kola works best when combined with a healthy lifestyle, good sleep, fresh food, and stress management. Avoid processed foods, caffeine overdose, and sleep deprivation, as these can block the healing effects of this plant. In the West, Gotu Kola is gaining popularity as a natural nootropic, meaning it helps sharpen the mind and reduce mental fatigue. Health-conscious people, students, professionals, and even seniors are now turning to it as a natural way to stay sharp, calm, and energized without the crash of coffee or pills. Let's recap. Gotu Kola supports brain function, calms anxiety, heals the skin, supports digestion and liver detox, boosts immunity, purifies the blood, improves circulation, and promotes natural healing throughout the body. It's truly one of nature's most powerful gifts. If you're interested in holistic wellness and natural remedies, Gotu Kola is something you should absolutely try. It's affordable, accessible, and can be grown in your garden or balcony. Thanks for watching. If you found this information valuable, please support our channel Inner Vitality by liking this video, sharing it with friends, and subscribing for more health-focused content. We post weekly videos on natural remedies, wellness tips, and ancient healing practices made simple for modern living. See you next time, and stay healthy naturally.